Hey, what's going on, you guys? I'm Matt, and I'm your expert on everything, both smartphone and photo. And I actually have a really cool product to show you guys in this video. It's the BOYA Magic 4-in-1 microphone system. Like I said, we usually cover smartphones and photography, but occasionally we see really cool pieces of tech like this in the studio, and I just gotta show you guys. So again, this is the BOYA Magic 4-in-1 microphone system. It's an AI-powered transformable wireless mic, and it's got 4 modes: desktop, handheld, on camera, shotgun style, and clip-on. You also can purchase the optional desktop stand. This is what the box looks like. It comes equipped with AI noise cancellation, which is really good, by the way. It rivals the DJI mic series. It's very good. It comes with 2 wireless mic transmitters. They're 7 grams each. It comes with 6 hours of battery life per mic and a combined 30 hours total. Okay, let's get these guys opened up. Okay, I've got the microphone set up. It's in the shotgun position, attached with a 1/4-20 on the included mic stand. It's a nice, well-built little mic stand, but here's the actual microphone unit itself. This door or window does open up to expose both of the BOYA mic units, and they are extremely small and compact. They sound really good too. So you can use the transmitters one at a time or both. You can also close it. You can see that there's cutout holes right there, along with here when you're using it in shotgun mode or just like a regular microphone talking into it. And then real quick, let's go over the other items that you get in the box. You get this really cool carrying case. And then right off the bat, you can see you have a foam cover that has BOYA branding on it. So if you want to just use it, again, like a regular microphone, you can do that. Easily slides on and off. You also have a dead cat. And so again, same thing, you could slip it on just like that, and it'll block out whatever wind noise you might possibly have. TRS cable, 1 USB Type-C to Type-C cable, 1 USB-A to Type-C cable. And this is the transmitter that you would mount to your mirrorless camera. For example, plug the TRS cable in and then plug it directly into this guy, and you can use it shotgun style, or again, you could just plug the transmitter in and then pop one of these guys out, or both, and you can just use it wirelessly just like that. It's very easy. It just it works like magic. So next up, you can probably see we have this little lightning mount adapter. So it actually already comes with one at the bottom. It magnetically plugs in like that. It's a Type-C. So if you want, you can actually just plug it directly into the bottom of your mobile device and record from the voice memos app, or record however you want to. Or if you have an older iPhone, you can use the included lightning adapter. But out of the box, it comes with the Type-C on it already. And there's a little button here you can use for linking it. Okay, next up and last thing in the pouch is you have little cover caps with little dead cats on them. So again, if you're using the mics in like a lapel setting, where you just have it clipped onto your shirt and you're outdoors, you can just simply click them in just like that. I did hear an audible click, and you can either clip it on, or it does have a little magnet where it says BOYA right there. Right here where it says BOYA, you can take the magnet off and put it behind your shirt or garment, and it'll remagnetize wherever you choose to place it right there. So that's everything that's set up with the kit in the box. With everything that this includes, you're off to the races and running. Like, this is an awesome kit already, just based off what they include and for the price. Just to make sure I cover that really quick. Right now on Amazon, you can get the BOYA Magic Mic System on sale for $89.99 US. Regular full list price is $129.99. So it's on sale by $40 right now. That's a steal in my opinion. Now, again, you can also, as you see right here, buy the full kit like I have in this video, where it includes the transmitter receiver as well as the lightning adapter. That's $129 right now, normally $165. So bear in mind, with the kit that's $89 right now, you have the BOYA Magic Mic stick, the Type-C mount, and the 2 microphone units themselves. Now, we are going to be demoing the audio in all of the various configurations, but really quickly, let me show you what it looks like when you open up the BOYA app. If you pick this up, make sure to download it. You'll see what I mean. I'm gonna take the bottom base receiver, I'm gonna plug it right into the bottom, and as you can see, as soon as it gets power, it'll show both LEDs are illuminated because I have both the mics out right now. I'm gonna go ahead and put one away. You can see that it's going off or it's turning blue. Put the other one away, and now you can either take out whatever mic you wanna go ahead and use to record the audio, or you can leave them both in here. And again, just use it as a shotgun microphone and you can just talk straight into it like how you would a normal microphone. Now you probably noticed that it automatically powered on. It does that as soon as you take the microphone out or take the bass out, but you can manually turn it on and off by pressing this button for about 1.5 seconds. These 4 icons right here, it's basically for battery monitoring. I just charged this guy so it's at full 4 bars, but again, as the battery goes down, so will the lights. All right, I really like this BOYA app. It's simple, clean, it's got all the features you want. So you can adjust the output gain level. It's on 2 or medium by default. You can either adjust it at 1, 2, or 3. The majority of my microphone testing has been at 2. So far, I like it right there. You can choose between recording mono or stereo. So here's something I wanted to make sure I mentioned. If you press this button while the stick is activated, it will toggle between blue and green. Green means the AI noise cancellation is on. So blue, just regular recording mode. If it's green, you've got the AI NC activated. You can also toggle noise cancellation on and off from the app, and you can also choose between the 2 different strength modes. There's strong noise cancellation, which compensates for up to 40 decibels of volume, and there's a second option, which compensates for 15 decibels. I have it set to 40, the stronger one. I like how it performs. This does record with the safety track as well. Test, test, audio 1, 2, 3, audio 1, 2, 3, test, test. So as you guys can see by the metering levels, that when I toggle the noise cancellation off, the noise floor is much higher. Toggle it back on, and it's pretty much getting rid of a lot of the low end noise. This is an audio test of me speaking about 4 inches away from the microphone. How does this sound? This is an audio test of me speaking directly into the transmitter. Okay, here I have it magnetically clipped on to my shirt, and we're gonna do a test. I'm gonna play some busy street sounds that's copyright free. We'll listen to it first without the active noise cancellation and then with the active noise cancellation. So just press the button, it'll go from green to blue, just like that. My mic sounds nice, check 1. My mic sounds nice, check 2. My mic sounds nice, check 3. And then just turn the AI cancellation on. Okay, my mic sounds nice, check 1. My mic sounds nice, check 2. My mic sounds nice, check 3. How's it sound? All right, you guys, if you enjoyed this demo of the BOYA Magic Mic System, I will have an affiliate link attached down below. It does help to support the channel, and it's nothing extra cost to you. Other than that, if you guys have any additional questions about the BOYA Magic Mic System that I missed, feel free to let me know down in the comments. And also, just tell me, what are your thoughts? What do you think? If you haven't already, get subscribed, and I'll see you in the next video.